Hello, lovely friend. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome to this short grounding meditation. I appreciate you being here and appreciate you taking this time for yourself. So go ahead, get into a comfortable position. We're just going to take a couple of deep breaths together. If you feel comfortable, go ahead and place your hands on your heart. And we're going to breathe in through your nose for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out through your mouth, nice and loud. 2, 3, and 4. In through your nose, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out through your mouth, nice and loud. 2, 3, 4. In through your nose, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out through your mouth, 2, 3, 4. And I want you to go ahead and look around you, and I want you to notice 5 things that you see. And go ahead, say them out loud if you'd like to, or just bring them to your attention. 5 things that you see around you. And now I want you to identify 4 things that you feel anywhere on your skin. 4 things that you feel. And now I want you to identify 3 things that you can hear. And notice 2 things that you can smell. If you have something close to you like lotion and essential oil, something like that in your space, feel free to bring that closer. Two things that you can smell. And then I want you to notice 1 thing that you can taste. If you have a lovely treat near you, a piece of chocolate or a fruit, something like that, go ahead and enjoy that and notice the textures. Notice the flavor. Notice how it feels. And you can close your eyes now if you haven't already, or you can keep them open. And I want you to notice what you're feeling in your body. Notice how you're feeling at this point in time after you've taken a couple of moments to really ground into this space. And we're going to take 3 more deep breaths together to close us out. So if you would like to, again, place your hands on your heart or on your belly if you would prefer that. We're going to breathe in through your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out through your mouth, 2, 3, 4. And in through your nose, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out through your mouth, 2, 3, 4. And then our last one, in through your nose, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out through your mouth, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and wiggle your toes. Maybe roll your ankles if that feels comfortable for you. Stretch out your legs a little bit. Do some shoulder shrugs, rolling your shoulders around. Stretch out your upper body, reach up as high as you can. Roll your wrists around, just really stretching wherever you feel needs to be stretched and moving our bodies. Have a beautiful rest of your day.